You ever notice how sometimes you give and you give and you give to certain people, but the moment you need them, they're nowhere to be found. You're always checking in. You're always sending that text messages. Maybe even giving them a call once in a while, left a voicemail, but they're not reaching back out. They're not responding to your text messages. They're not doing anything. It's just nothing. When they finally reach out and they need you, you're constantly there to support them, but it's crickets in return. Love, friendship, and respect is meant to flow in both directions, but when it only flows in one, that one person gets pretty drained until there's nothing left. The truth is, not everybody deserves your energy. So why do we do it? I think it's genuine fear. It's the fear of losing these people. Like I'm going through it right now. My best friend, I've known him for 16 years. Um, I used to be able to hit him up all the time, and we would go hang out and do whatever. Now I just text him because he's got a girlfriend, I got a girlfriend. We both have different lives, so it's like I just want to see how he's doing. I want to check in. How are things? How's the lady? How's the job? How's the business? How are things going with you on your end? And it's just a genuine checkup. Like I don't need to see him. It takes 5 seconds to reply or like a 5-minute phone call. Right? It's not hard. But it's crickets. In my brain, I was like, if I keep giving, if I keep reaching out every couple weeks, he'll finally reply. He'll finally reply. He'll finally see that I just want to see him. Or if he'll finally see that I just want to see how he's doing. The truth is, if they wanted to, they would. If they wanted to, they would. If they wanted to send you a text to keep you updated, to say that they're really busy, they would. If they wanted to make an effort to see you, they would. Protecting your energy isn't selfish. It's survival, right? I mean, not everybody deserves you. Not everybody deserves me. Not everybody deserves what we are willing to give to others. Our energy, right? Our time. Not everybody deserves that. Not everybody deserves a piece of the pie. The piece of me that I'm willing to give out. Not everybody deserves that. And maybe they did for a time, right? Maybe they did for a long time. But now that we grow up, we mature, we have our own lives that we're dealing with. Shit happens, right? Maybe they no longer deserve that piece, so I need to take it back. I have a quote from my therapist about this search situation that I've talked about in the past, and it's really resonated with me, and I think it'll resonate with you too. You can't keep filling up someone else's cup while yours runs dry. So here's a way forward. You need to start recognizing those who uplift you and those who are going to drag you down, because where you put your energy, you want it to multiply. You don't want to put it in places where it's just going to disappear. Not everyone deserves your energy. So save it for those who want to see you win, for those who really care about you, because real love, real respect, real friendships, it's always mutual. So drop a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to Uncharted Potential, and I'll see you in the next one.